Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to limit discount code uses on Gumroad. So actually guys, first you will need to go with the Gumroad website, gumroad.com on your browser and sign in with your account, and then just go with the dashboard option. The option that's located at the top right corner, or the button that you can click at the top right corner of the page, and then just go with the check out option on the left hand menu. It's the fourth one, and then go with a new discount, or the option that's located at the top right corner if you don't have a discount yet. Okay, so once you click it, you will need to name it. Okay, so to give that discount name, so for example we'll go with Black Friday as it's shown. Okay, so Black Friday, and let's set a discount code right here, for example. Then choose the products and existing products, okay, of yours. So for example we'll go with logo design service, for example, so you can set it to all products if you want to, and here you will need to choose the type of it, if you want a percentage or if you want it as a fixed amount. So for example we'll go with a fixed amount, $5. You can as well do more if you want. And to limit discount code uses, you will need to go with limit quantity. Okay, so for example if I type right here 10, that means only 10 people will use that discount code. Okay, 15, that's also only 5 people, etc. So once finished, just go ahead with add discount and publish. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.